Do you want to start a new YouTube channel? You're not sure how? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you how to start a YouTube channel in under 60 seconds. Let's go. Now, the first thing you need to do when starting a YouTube channel is to remember that your videos have to be engaging. People have to be engaged to watch your video. If they're not engaged, they're gonna score by. You need to make sure that you're hooking people in with your thumbnail and with the title of your video. The thumbnail is the picture that people see when they're scrolling through YouTube, and the title is what gets them to actually click on the video. So you need to make sure that both of those things are on point. Next thing you need to do is make sure that you have good audio and video quality. This is a huge mistake that a lot of small channels make, including myself when I first started, is that the audio quality is just not good enough. You need to make sure that you're speaking clearly and that there's not a lot of background noise. I recommend using a microphone, a nice shotgun microphone that you can pick up for under $100. And for video quality, just make sure that your camera is updated and that you're recording in 4K. The next thing you need to remember is to edit your videos well. There's nothing worse than watching a video that is poorly edited. It's so off-putting. You need to make sure that your edits are clean and that they're on point. I recommend using a video editing software, which is free to start. And then the fourth thing you need to remember is to be consistent. People love to binge watch videos. So if you're going to post a video, make sure that you're posting multiple videos, because once people start watching one video, they're going to watch all of your videos. Finally, the last thing you need to remember is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, do live streams, and make your audience feel appreciated, because at the end of the day, they're the ones that are going to help you grow. So there you have it. That's how to start a YouTube channel in under 60 seconds. Remember to engage, quality, edit well, be consistent, and engage with your audience. Oh, and one more thing, make sure that you're picking a niche that you're passionate about, because you're going to be spending a lot of time creating videos about that niche. So make sure that you love it. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard to create content about it. So good luck with your new YouTube channel, and I hope that you grow. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to start a new YouTube channel. Before starting a YouTube channel, you should keep some points in your mind. The first point is that your videos have to be engaging. If your videos are not engaging, then people will lose interest in your videos and they will not watch your videos. So try to make your videos as engaging as possible. For example, if you are making a video on World War II, then don't just talk about it. Show some footage of World War II. The second point is that make sure that you upload videos on a regular basis. People should know that whenever they come to your channel, they will get some new video. If you upload videos on a regular basis, then people will love your channel, and they will suggest your channel to their friends also. The third point is that you should promote your videos on social media. If you have a lot of friends on social media, then it will be very easy for you to promote your videos. Just share a link of your videos on various social media platforms, and people will come to know about your videos. The fourth point is that you should not give up. If you give up, then you will never become successful on YouTube. There are many YouTubers who have millions of subscribers today, but they were not successful in their first attempt. So keep trying, and one day you will be successful. The fifth point is that you should use a good camera. If you use a good camera, then the quality of your videos will be good and people will love to watch your videos. And one last thing, if you follow all these points, then you can become successful on YouTube. So these are the points that you should keep in your mind before starting a YouTube channel. And if you want more information about how to start a YouTube channel, then you can search for how to start a YouTube channel, and you will get all the information that you want. So this was all about how to start a new YouTube channel. If you like this video, then click on the like button, and if you love this video, then share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.